Hey people, so let's start talking about quantum physics today. What is physics? Let's start with that. Physics is understanding the laws that govern us, our universe, and the particles at molecular level, atomic level, all that. Now, physics can be classified into three broad categories: classical physics, astrophysics, and quantum physics. Classical physics basically contains topics like electromagnetism, thermodynamics, and all that, induction, and astrophysics contains understanding the laws of the universe, heavenly bodies like planets and stars, black holes. Quantum physics helps us to understand what are the laws that governs the molecules, atoms, gluons, fermions at molecular level. Now, imagine you take this pen, right, and you try to zoom it in very closely. At a point, using a microscope, electron microscope, you will be seeing electrons and atoms. Now, those atoms also follow certain set of rules. So, what are those set of rules? That is quantum physics. Quantum physics is considered to be one of the most confusing branch of physics, and its founder, basic originator, was Max Planck. He basically laid out season 2 of physics, and the person who helped contribute in his ideas was Albert Einstein, when he said that light is a particle and a wave too. Even though he didn't believe in quantum physics, he indirectly had a big contribution to quantum physics, right? And then comes Heisenberg. He gave Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, which has a major contribution to quantum physics. Now let us start with something very basic about quantum physics. Let us start with quantum superposition. Is a very interesting topic. Now you imagine a box. In that box there is a poison in a glass that has 50% chance to break and 50% that it won't break. Now you will put a cat also in that box, and after some time you will come to check that box again. Now before opening that box, you won't know that the cat is alive or dead, as it was 50% chance that the poison might break or not. So before opening the box, that is before observing it, the cat is both alive and both dead at the same time. Now you only know for sure when you are observing it by opening that box. The same is with molecule at quantum level. You won't know where a particle is present. A single particle can be two at a time. Like a photon is coming, it can be two photons at a time before you observe it. The moment you observe it, it again becomes one photon. It is basically a part of split double slit experiment. No, it basically says that before you observe any particle, it can be anything, anywhere, and wherever the hell it wants, right? It can be here, 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 here. That is before you observe it. But the moment you start observing it, it is only at a single position. That is quantum superposition. A particle at multiple states at multiple time, multiple places in space time. That is quantum physics.